Hi warriors, hi guys. So I just wanted to thank to Rachel Moore who sent me this beautiful card and her t-shirt. It says bagthedog.com right here because that's her website. She loves dogs, she loves animals, and she just sent me these two nice things. So I just want to say thank you. And Gypsy wants to say hi. Gypsy, come here. This is my Gypsy. Gypsy wants to say hi. We found him on the street and we kept him just a few months ago. And now I love him and I want to keep him forever. Right? Is that right? Yes, because we bonded. Okay, so that's it. I just wanted to say thanks to Rachel and I hope you guys are gonna try the new ZWOW, the workout number 50. God, we have 50 workouts already on the website. That's amazing. So you have a lot of to choose from. So push really hard. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment on the website and I'll see you guys soon. Ciao.